How to cancel an order on AliExpress. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing how we can cancel an order on AliExpress, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the process of a cancellation of a certain order really depends upon what stage the order is in. If it's already been like a day or two since you made your order, and because the package has already been shipped and maybe delivered to AliExpress's warehouse, in that case the order is not cancelable, because as I said, the seller has already packaged it and sent it to the warehouse. In that case, the only way you can actually cancel your order is if you contact the AliExpress customer service. Now in another case scenario, let's say if it's only been like a minute or two that you made your order, and because no one has actually paid attention to that order, you can still cancel it. So if you're lucky, you can open up the AliExpress application, then tap the account option from the bottom right of the screen. Right here you'll find an option known as orders, where you'll find the view all button. So you can just tap on the view all option and you'll be able to see all sort of existing or pending orders there. So if your order is cancelable, you'll find the cancel option over there, and then you'll be able to cancel your order in that way. If you don't, the only way you can cancel it is by simply contacting a representative from AliExpress. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.